Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to hide photos on Snapchat. Yeah, you can hide photos on Snapchat. There is an option saying My Eyes. You can use it to hide snaps as well as photos and videos from your photo library. For that, if you haven't set up your My Eyes function, follow exactly what I do. Now, after you are done with setting up My Eyes function, go to Snaps if you want to hide Snap, or go to Camera Roll on Snapchat to hide the photos and videos from there. Here I'm hiding photos from Snap. To hide multiple photos, select and long press on a snap. There, now you can see tick button. Now you can select as many snaps as you want. After you're done with selection, tap on Hide Snaps. That is how you hide photos or videos on Snapchat. You can see those photos or videos on My Eyes. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.